Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is nothing phone, one smartphone. In this video, I will show the live demo of Ringtone Abra. First, I go to settings and here select a cliff interface and click on ringtones and click on default ringtone, and here you can see the desired ringtone. So I would like to select Abra and I will show it. This is Abra. See in the back side. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to activate it, just click on set ringtone and it will be activated. That's all. Bye.